Struggling to track your sleep with Garmin because it doesn't know your sleep or wake up time? Or maybe your schedule's changed, a new job, late night study sessions, or just trying to get those precious hours of extra sleep. Whatever the reason, adjusting your sleep schedule on your Garmin can make a big difference in getting accurate sleep insights. I'm Prakhar, you're watching Wearholic, and in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your sleep schedule on Garmin for specific days in just a few simple steps. There are two methods to do it. You can set a sleep schedule on your Garmin using the Garmin Connect app, or you can do it from the watch itself. I'm using the Forerunner 265 for the demonstration, but you can follow the same steps to set your sleep time on any Garmin, be it Forerunner, Fenix, Instinct or Venu, because the steps are more or less the same across all Garmins. First, I'll show you how to do it from the Garmin Connect app. This is where you can manage all your watch settings, including your sleep schedule. From the home page, tap on More to access the menu, and select Garmin devices to get a list of your connected devices. Now select your device. After that, scroll down to find System. Tap on it. Here, it will show all the system settings on your Garmin. Now open Sleep Mode and select Schedule. As you can see here, you can select a custom sleeping schedule for every day of the week separately. Just select the day and proceed to enter the bedtime and wake up time. Once you have adjusted the sleep schedule, don't forget to sync your watch with the app to update the changes. Just tap the sync icon and you're good to go. To change the sleeping schedule directly from the watch, follow the same process. First, access the menu by pressing and holding the up button. Now navigate to System. Open it and scroll down to find Sleep Mode. Select it and tap on Schedule. There, you can choose the desired bedtime and wake up time. Some users might not get the option to select a sleep schedule for individual days of the week. That's because this function is only available for selected Garmin watches. Here are all the compatible models that allow custom sleep schedule for individual days of the week. And that's it. Now your Garmin will track your sleep according to your new schedule, giving you better insights and helping you build healthier habits. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Wearholic and comment below what you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.